Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain how the MAARS process works. Now, those who don't know what MAARS is, MAARS stands for Microsoft Access Application Writing Software. Now, it is an intelligent meta program that writes Microsoft Access database applications in minutes instead of days, weeks, or months. Now, I'm sitting on MAARS homepage, macrotize.com. And if I click on this link, how it works, it takes you to the how it works page. There are three simple steps. Step one is you upload an Microsoft Excel file that includes your database table definitions. The assumption here is you are a developer or a database designer or even a power user who understand database concepts. You have done your user requirement analysis, came up with your database design, or identified which tables or how many tables do you need in your database and what they are. Once you have that, you'll be uploading that definition using an Excel file into MAARS. MAARS will create the database. It takes only a minute, even though it says less than 2 hours, because we just have to first verify, check that your database definition is sound and it can be created. We'll create that, send you the link, and then you can download the database, make some minor update, and then pass it on to your users. The entire process should be taking less than a day. So let me explain the template. You use this template to upload your Excel file or your database definition. I obviously downloaded it multiple times, so let me do it again. Um, so you download it, takes only a sec, open it. Let's enable editing so I can go through it. Now, in this template, we're just showing you some examples. So here's a customers table, employees table, inventory transactions, invoices, order details. So you can see a whole bunch of tables in this Excel file. Only requirement is that there must be one table per worksheet, and it has to be in this format. 3 columns, field name, data type, field size. They has to be named like this: field underscore name, data underscore type, field underscore size. And you tell us what are the fields you need in each table, their data types, and then the field size. Now, of course, this table only contains string and a number field, but other table, your table may contain dates, for example, like right here in the transaction table, there are date fields, there are number fields, and a yes, no, um, and the string. So it depends on what you need. The key here, so like here, invoices has 3 currency field in there. So this template kind of gives you an idea that you could be, creating a database with all kinds of data types. Key requirement is one table per worksheet, and whatever you name the worksheet here, that will be the name of the table in the database. So one table per worksheet, and then for each table, you have to have these 3 columns in the first row. Um, this is just a template. You could create your database for any industry. You could be in a financial sector. You may need the tables that applies to the financial database. You could be in clinical trials. So you decide what needs to be done. So once you have your table definitions, you just put them into one table per worksheet. Now, there is no limit how many. If your database needs 50 tables, you need to have 50 different worksheets in here. Once you have this completed, simply you go to MAARS, and if you're a subscriber, you will have a link here to upload. You'll be able to upload it, and then MAARS will create the database, send you a link. You can download it, make necessary changes, and then pass it on to your users. If you want to see the entire process, how it works, we have other videos that in this website. For example, if I go to the home page, and we try to explain how the process works. There is a video link in here how this process works. If I click on this right now, for example, clearly this video explains, how the entire process works. So just to recap, upload your Excel file with your table definitions, get a download link after MAARS creates the application. You download it, make changes, and pass it on to users. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you will become a subscriber and you will be able to take advantage of the speed of MAARS and expedite your development process for MS Access application development. Thank you for watching.